Okay, so welcome guys to this video, and right here I'm basically doing an account flip. As you can see, I started this account with $112, and currently we are making a profit of $90.74. So you might be wondering, how was I able to get this type of entry? How was I able to know that price was literally about to buy? Well, I'm going to be answering all your questions in this particular video. By the way, if you want to join me in taking trades like this, you can easily join the Signal group. There I post every trade that I take, so if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you click the first link in the description in this video. So let me just explain to you guys how I was able to get my entry. So let's go to Euro card, but before I show you guys how I got my entry, I want to let you know that I was willing to risk everything in my balance. So what I did here was the combination of the relative strength index and the moving average. So these are actually two different indicators that are actually combined to form a whole strategy that I can actually use to know the direction of the market. And let me show you guys how I was able to do that. So I want to start first by explaining the relative strength index. Actually, from the relative strength index, you could actually see two different points here. You could see the 70 and you could see the 30, and these two numbers actually mean two different things. So the 70 actually means overbought and the 30 actually means oversold, and let me show you guys what I mean by that. So let's go to this other section here. So as you could see, the market was at this 30 max, which actually means oversold point in the market, and once prices are the oversold, we are actually expecting a buy to actually occur, and that's what happens here, and that's where this point is. This is the 30 mark, and this is that point in the market. And once prices are at the 30 mark in the RSI, we're actually expecting price to actually go up, and that's why you could actually see price going up in an uptrend. So you could see here that price was at the 70 mark. We're actually expecting price to go down. That is, price is actually at the overbought zone. So once price is at the overbought zone, we're actually expecting price to go down, and that's what exactly happens here. Price touched the 70 mark, and we could see how price went down, and we could see how the RSI went down to the 30 mark before it goes up. And that's basically the same thing I actually applied here. You could see here that price was at the 30 mark and price was at its lowest form here, and that's where I exactly took my entry. Although price is actually returning back to where it is, but let me just check the profit right now. So we're actually $100. It's actually $100 now, so $100 in profit. So let me show you guys. So basically, one of the reasons I was able to take 100% risk on this trade was because of this RSI. One of the reasons was because of the RSI as a confirmation. So another thing that actually gave me more conviction in taking this trade was the moving average. So let me just explain the moving average for you guys. So the moving average here actually means that whenever you see price actually going above the moving average, as you could see clearly right now, that means there's actually a buy going on in the market. And whenever you see price going below the moving average, it's actually telling you to take a sell, and there's a sell in the market. And whenever you see the moving average moving in between price, this is actually trying to tell you there's a consolidation in the market. So now let me show you guys my reasoning with this trade and why I had to take so much risk on this one. So basically, I was seeing all the things that I could imagine of a very good trade actually happening here. If you remember what we said about the RSI, whenever price is actually at the 30 mark of the RSI, this actually means that price is in an oversold zone and we're expecting price to buy, and price was actually at that oversold zone. And another thing that caught my attention was seeing price going above the moving average. That start from here, so that's why I had to take my entry at this spot. Mainly price go above the moving average according to the RSI, telling me that hey, we're in an oversold zone, and actually hold my trade to this point here. Actually right now I'm already seeing all signals to close my trade right now, because price is actually at the 70 mark. Price actually at the 70 mark. And another bad news to it is that if I see price going above the moving average, that is actually another strong conviction that hey, I need to close this trade or everything. But right now I think the best thing, in order to secure my profit, I'll have to close the trade right now, and I'll continue with the explanation. So seriously, I'm down some few dollars trying to explain everything to you guys, so it will actually mean a lot if you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel. But anyway, let me just close this profit so I can actually get to everything insecure. Seriously, I was in $200, now it's already 198. So please be sure to like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And right now, why I had to close my trade was because I actually saw that price is actually at the 70 mark, and the RSI is already showing us that whole going down sign. Another bad thing that will happen is if price goes below the moving average, that is going to be the bad points of it. But right now, let me show you guys the settings to this indicator. So as for this moving average, I'm basically using the 20 moving average and the 25 moving average. Let me show you guys. So this is the moving average setting: 25, shift is 0, method is simple, apply is close, simple, and the period has to be 25, and the pixels, just for me seeing everything clear, is 2. And let me go to the second indicator, that is this one. I'm actually using period 20, and the shift is 0, method is simple, apply is close, and pixels is 2, and done. And for the RSI, let me show you guys that one. So the RSI is period 14, apply is to close, and the pixels is 1. So just in summary, whenever you see price above the moving average, you have to take a buy, and whenever you see price going below the moving average, you have to take a sell. And for the RSI, whenever you see price at the 30 mark of the RSI, you have to know that price is about to go up. That means you need to take a buy. And whenever you see price is at the 70 mark, this actually means that price is actually at the overbought zone, and you're kind of expecting a sell down here in the market. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
A few inches later.
So a few hours after closing my trade, you could see now that price has actually gone down.